Beyond the golden beaches and famous tea fields, there lies another Sri Lanka, one that even many locals have never seen. Hidden in the midst of the central highlands, tucked behind emerald forests and ancient ruins, are places that defy imagination. Today, we take you beyond postcards, beyond travel guides, to explore the unseen wonders of Sri Lanka through the eyes of a drone. From the pearl of the Indian Ocean comes a land of breathtaking contrasts. Sri Lanka, a country where mountains kiss the sky and history whispers through stone temples. Yet beyond its bustling cities and crowded tourist trails, there are hidden worlds, secret waterfalls, untouched islands, mysterious caves, and forgotten villages where time stands still. Join us on this 4K aerial journey across Sri Lanka's unseen beauty. From north to south, coast to jungle, to rediscover the soul of this magical island. One Lipton's seat, the misty highlands high above the tea country of Happy Tale lies Lipton's seat, where the great tea baron Sir Thomas Lipton once stood to admire his empire like a tea dawn. As fog drifts across emerald slopes, the world below looks like a living painting. The drone's eye reveals patterns of green waves, a sea of tea leaves stretching endlessly, whispering tales of history and hard work. To Dilema Falls, the second highest waterfall from the cliffs of Koslanda, flows one of Sri Lanka's greatest wonders, Dilema Falls. Seen from above, it looks unreal, like a silver ribbon cascading down the mountain. Surrounded by jungle symphonies, few know of the hidden infinity pools above it, where nature carved bathtubs overlooking the world. 3 Manor Island. The forgotten north, far from the tourist path, lies Manor Island, where time seems frozen. Here, centuries-old baobab trees, gifts from ancient African traders, still stand tall against the coastal winds. From above, the blend of sand, salt flats, and turquoise lagoons forms patterns that could only be seen by the sky. 4 Dandra Head. The southernmost point at the southern tip of Sri Lanka stands Dandra Head, the end of the island, and the beginning of infinity. From the drone's view, the lighthouse rises like a guardian of the seas, where 2 great oceans, the Indian and the endless blue, embrace each other in silence. 5 Knuckles Mountain Range. The hidden forest kingdom, they call it the Knuckles Range, a secret kingdom of clouds. Seen from the sky, its ridges form the shape of a clenched fist, a natural fortress that hides rare plants, waterfalls, and wildlife found nowhere else. IT has said that even the wind sounds different here, ancient, mystical, alive. 6 Pitarangala Rock. The shadow of Sigiriya, just beside the famous Sigiriya fortress, lies its quiet twin, Pitarangala. From its summit, you don't just see the Lion Rock, you feel its majesty at tea sunrise. The drone captures a breathtaking moment, golden light washing over ancient stone as history awakens beneath the clouds. 7 Ritagala. The lost monastery in the jungle deep inside the forest of Ritagala lies a forgotten world. Ruins of an ancient monastery, swallowed by roots and silence. From above, stone paths and meditation platforms appear like scars of time, reminders of monks who once sought peace here, far from kings and wars. 8 Kamana National Park. The hidden wildlife sanctuary in the far east lies Kamana, a secret paradise for wildlife. From the air, its lagoons shine like mirrors, reflecting the wings of migratory birds. Leopards hide beneath golden grass, elephants march in quiet dignity, and life moves in rhythm with the earth. 9 Mimir Village. The hidden valley of tradition. In the folds of the Knuckles Range hides Mimir, a village untouched by time. And modern roads reach here easily. From above, its homes look like drops of clay among green fields, where old songs and stories still echo through the mountains. Key Captain Jaffna's Casuarina Beach. The calm of the north in the northern peninsula, Casuarina Beach whispers a different rhythm. Peaceful, endless, and untouched. Drone shots show a sea so clear, it mirrors the sky. And in that reflection, you can almost see the spirit of resilience that defines Sri Lanka's north. 11 Belahiloya, the Valley of Serenity, where mountain rivers meet rolling hills lies Belahiloya, a valley of stillness. From the air, emerald forests and silver streams intertwine like veins of the earth. Here, adventure and peace share the same heartbeat, one that echoes through every gust of wind. Water Wave 12 Kador Rainforest, Sigiriya Reserve Sigiriya, the Lion King of forests, Sri Lanka's last great rainforest. Seen from the sky, it's a green ocean of life, ancient, dense, and sacred. Every layer hides mysteries of evolution, and every shadow breathes the rhythm of untouched nature. 13 Kalpitiya Lagoon, the dolphin coast on the western shores. Kalpitiya Lagoon glows under golden sunlight. From above, dolphins cut through turquoise water while colorful sails dance with the wind. This is a place where ocean and sky blur together, an endless playground for freedom. Desert Island 14 Delft Island. The island of legends off the northern coast lies Delft Island, an island woven with myths and coral. Drone eyes reveal ruins of Portuguese forts, ancient baobabs, and wild horses running free. It's a place that feels both forgotten and eternal, a chapter from another time. Synagogue 15 Yapawa Rock Fortress, the forgotten citadel before Kandy, before Colombo. Yapawa was once a royal capital. Now, its stone lions guard the empty gates of history. From above, the fortress looks like a giant rising from the earth, proud, silent, undefeated. Peacock 16 Nalavali Beach. The tranquil east on the eastern coast lies Nalavali, a name that whispers peace from the sky. Its waters shine like blue silk spread endlessly across the horizon. Here, the ocean hums softly, and every wave feels like a breath of eternity. 17 Horton Plains. The edge of the world, Horton Plains, where the world quite literally ends. Standing on the brink of its cliffs, you look down into infinity. From above, the drone captures a breathtaking paradox. Silence and vastness, beauty and fear, all at once. Hibiscus 18 Ella Rock, the hiker's paradise Ella, a name every traveler dreams of, yet few truly see. The drone glides past a 9-arch bridge, tracing mist that curls around green hills. From Ella Rock, the island's heart unfolds, wide, wild, and free. Hindu Temple 19 Butawagala. The stone giants in the jungles of Welawea stand the Butawagala statues, silent giants carved into stone. From above, their calm faces look toward the horizon, unchanged for 1,000 years. Here, history isn't written, it's carved in faith and stone. Sunrise 20 Ergum Bay, the surfer's secret sunrise, and finally, the eastern curve of Ergum Bay, where dawn greets the ocean first. From the air, the waves roll in perfect rhythm, like a heartbeat of the island itself. This is where the journey ends, but the spirit of Sri Lanka keeps calling again and again. From misty mountains to endless shores, from hidden valleys to ancient stones. This is the Sri Lanka unseen, a land that doesn't just exist on maps, but in moments of wonder. May these skies, seas, and sacred lands remind us that beauty, when seen from above, is never just seen, it's felt.